As you can see, we have a Star Wars The Black Series figure in front of us. This is a special one. I did not expect this to come in as early as it did. I went ahead and pre-ordered it through GameStop along with the other three in the series. Two of them did come in, however, which we'll take a look at in a later video, but I wanted to open Darth Maul up first because this is actually the first Darth Maul Black Series I was able to get my hands on at a reasonable price, that is. So I thought today we'd go ahead and unbox Darth Maul here. I kind of feel bad unboxing this one because it looks super cool. That is, the box does. The character does as well, or the figure does as well. But as you can see, this is Darth Maul from the comics, which is what all of them are in this series. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Lucasfilm Darth Maul Sith Apprentice. We'll take a look at the outside the box. We'll go ahead and unbox him, take a look at his articulation, and take some pictures. So with that, let's take a closer look. So the outside the box, the front of the box, we have Darth Maul there. That's a great look of Darth Maul. A very cool book side of the box here, where it's got Darth Maul, Sith Apprentice, and you've got a cool caricature of him. And then on the back here, it says, commemorate the first 50 years of Lucasfilm with figures inspired by Star Wars books and comics. And as you can see where this fits in right there. So super cool. And then this actually opens up. It's got Velcro, as you can see, and then you can actually see the figure himself. You see where it says Darth Maul here. Darth Sidious' apprentice and enforcer, Darth Maul has cut his way through the ranks of the galactic crime syndicate, Black Sun, to take on the pinnacle of their organization. And then obviously we've got Darth Maul right there. So super cool. And I didn't show the inside of the book there as well. So we'll go ahead and unbox him. I might consider keeping this box because of how cool it is. And this one's going to open a little bit differently. We've got, looks like only one tape, but I could be wrong. Let's see how that works. Of course, we got the instructions there, which I really wish, I mean, not instructions, sorry, the warnings there. I really wish that Hasbro would do something like include instructions, but you know, that's a whole other conversation. And of course, we've got the double lightsaber. Does this come apart? It does not appear to, maybe? That might come apart. Yeah, good, it does. Awesome. We'll take a closer look at that in just a moment. We'll put that down. And then Darth Maul himself. All right, so I'll get everything cleaned up and set up here. We'll go ahead and take a closer look at Darth Maul and go from there. All right. Wow, this is an awesome looking Darth Maul. All right, so let's first go ahead and take a look at his lightsaber. Of course, it is dual blades, and you know, you can take the blades out. They've got good snaps. I'm happy about that. Let's see if we can get a good look here at the blade itself. There we go. Hopefully you can see that. It's got pretty good detail on it. And like I said earlier, the blade can come off. The peg, there is a single peg, and it looks like on his side there is where the lightsaber can attach. We don't want to do that. So that looks good as far as you know, being able to actually have the lightsaber on him without, you know, holding it. Of course, we're probably gonna have Darth Maul hold his lightsaber. That just makes the most sense. All right, so we'll go ahead and put that back together here, and we'll take a look at Darth Maul's articulation. But first, before we do that, I mean, look at that face. They did a great job with the face there. Yeah, I like this figure a lot. All right, so we'll go ahead and zoom in just a tad here, and hopefully, what we'll do, we'll go ahead and take this out of the background there so you can definitely get a better look at him. All right, so face looks good. As far as the head movement, that's him going down, that's him going all the way up. We get left and right there. Arms, they'll go as high as, about as high as you'd want them to. Little twist at the arm. Elbow does the left and right there. Get a little bit better than 90 on that, which is awesome. Left and right here, and then this one's going to be a left and right as well. Torso, good torso movement, and Hasbro didn't cheap out. The paint goes all the way up. I was kind of afraid of that, which they did a good job on, thankfully. The legs, it looks like it is a double knee, so that's about as far as that's going to go. Legs are kind of chunky, but I like the way that it looks. He stands up pretty well on his own, so it's looking like we're not going to need too much as far as museum putty and whatnot. Of course, you know, now he's not standing up, but I think he's doing a good job there. So what we're going to do now is we'll go ahead and take some pictures, and I'll be right back. Typically, when I take the pictures, I'll have a better idea of, you know, what he's able to do and what he's not able to do. It gives me a better feel for the figure. So with that, I'll be right back. All right, so I think that was a really good look at Darth Maul here. I think he's an awesome figure. If you get a chance to pick him up, I would definitely do it. You know, the only thing I was really disappointed with the figure was that with his saber, it really didn't attach very well there. I tried. It just didn't work. I mean, like I said, it's not really going to matter that much because on the shelf, I mean, he's going to be probably in a very similar pose to this, or maybe just holding the lightsaber. I'm not sure yet, but I mean, yeah, okay, I'm done. There's no other. That's really my only complaint about the figure. Other than that, I think he's perfect. So with that, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting. Obviously, we do things like Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series, but we also do other things on the channel as well, like home automation, electronics, and that sort of thing as well. So with that, have a great day.